Hello everyone and welcome to my another video tutorial. In this video we are going to install plugin for better indexing of our WordPress medias like images, videos and audio. So let's go to our plugin section and click add new and search for Google XML sitemap for video. Okay, so this is the plugin for Google XML sitemap for videos. Click install now, and are you sure? Yes. Okay, the plugin is installed. The next thing is to activate the plugin. And let's check where is the plugin setting. So go to setting. No, not here. In the tools. Yep. Let me open it in new tab so we can see what are the settings. Okay, right now there is no post and no media on our website, so we cannot create a video sitemap. But at the time when we will post some content on our website, we can create a video sitemap and submit to Google and other webmaster. So let me close this and click add new and search the same thing for images. Okay, click install now. Okay, activate the plugin. And in the tools you can see now there is a video sitemap and images sitemap. Let me open the image sitemap and show you the setting. Yeah, it is saying to generate the sitemap for images. So right now there is no images as I said before, so let me close this thing. And the next sitemap is you can add a Google sitemap generator. Here, this is a Google's XML sitemap, and in case if you are using this, I'm not going to install this Google XML sitemap cause we will install this plugin WordPress SEO by Yoast, and this plugin will do the sitemap generation. Yeah, it will generate the XML sitemap for our website, so I'm not going to use this Google XML sitemap. It already have this function in this plugin. So this is all for this video, and thanks for watching it.